Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to draw Heath Ledger's Joker. We'll begin by establishing the basic head shape. Start with a simple oval, then add a vertical line for the center of the face and a horizontal line for the eyes. These guidelines are crucial for accurate placement of features. Next, refine the jawline, giving it that distinctive angular look. Remember to keep your initial lines very light, as they are just guides. Now let's bring his iconic features to life. His eyes are piercing, so draw them with a slight squint and heavy, furrowed brows. The nose has a specific structure, so pay attention to its bridge and tip. The most recognizable feature is his smile. Extend it wide, showing the scars that define his unsettling grin. Capture that unsettling intensity in every detail. Moving on to the hair and clothing. The Joker's hair is a wild, unkempt green, so draw it with loose, flowing strands that reach his shoulders. Don't make it too neat. Embrace the chaos. Next, sketch the high, pointed collar of his purple coat, adding some natural folds and wrinkles. These elements help frame his face and complete his recognizable silhouette. Finally, we'll add shading and refine our drawing. Use cross-hatching or blending to create shadows, particularly around his eyes, under his chin, and within the scars, to give them depth and realism. Darken your key lines to make the features pop. Erase any visible initial guidelines, and add those small, crucial details that truly capture the essence of Heath Ledger's Joker. You've done it.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.